Yo, what is up? It's your boy AM coming to you with an AMPM unboxing. This is a special edition of AMPM unboxing because today I got something really cool that I want to show you all and I'm excited for. So I ended up picking up this Mavic Mini Bundle. Woo! Yeah, so this is the unboxing. Stay tuned in a bit. We got our handy dandy knife right here to open up any box that stands on our way. And as always, shout out to my cuz for giving me this super cool, super sharp knife. As you saw in the intro video, today we got the Mavic Mini Bundle. Yeah, so this is a purchase that I have been wanting to get for quite a bit. And I'm excited to open this up for you and then check out what's inside. This is a very special bundle. This is what they consider the Father's Day bundle, because what's included in here is a charging stand and a free battery. This is a Mavic Mini, which is a smaller drone. It comes in at a certain amount of weight, so you don't have to register it with the FAA. And as always, we're going to check out the box and see what it features. So we have 2.7K video, which is not full 4K, but on our channel we do 1080p. We can do a 2.4 mile fly range, which is quite a bit. 30 minutes of flight time, which I'm very excited about. Usually the drones that first start out didn't have that long of battery life, but as things have been improving over time, 30 minutes is now possible. And so some of the bigger drones even go that long as well. Like I said, it comes at 249 grams, which is 0.55 pounds, what makes it under the limit of drone sizes, so you don't have to register with the FAA, but you still gotta follow all the drone rules. As always, comes with an in-app editor and GPS, which is pretty sweet because you need to know where your drone is at all times. That's the front of the box. Here's the side of the box. Also gives you details of what comes inside. What's in the box? Mavic Mini quadcopter remote control ×1, gimbal protector ×1, intelligent flight battery ×1, pair of spare propellers ×1, mini USB cable ×1, RC cable, micro USB connector ×1, RC cable USB-C connector ×1, RC cable lightning connector ×1, a pair of separate control sticks ×1. I can't even do it anymore, I'm laughing too much. Screwdriver ×1, and 6 separate screws ×1. Extras, charging base, intelligent flight battery. So that should be ×2. And in order to fly this drone, you have to download the DJI Fly app, which is available on Android and Apple. As you know, we're all Apple, baby. So this is a better look at what the contents are inside. I was able to pick this up at Costco. Shout out to MP, part of the Day and Night gang. He was able to hook me up with his Costco card. Such a good dude. Anyways, on top of the box we have DJI, branding as always. And the bottom ain't nothing there. So let's just crack this open and see what is inside. We got a little plastic tape right here, preventing us to get a good look of what's inside the contents. So we use a super sharp knife to cut open the little plastic and then pull it open. And we're gonna unbox this mini drone. Cool. Right at the back, the battery has fallen out of its little pocket, but we'll continue to open it up. Okay, open up, open up. What we have here is the intelligent flight battery, the extra that we've been looking for. And we just gotta keep pulling everything out. This is like box inception. Look at that. Box within the box within the box. Pull this open. So the main bundle is right here. So what we'll do is take that away, toss that aside, and we'll just look at the individual contents as it is. Cool. I'm pretty excited about this because this comes with each of the individual boxes separately, which is pretty awesome because we get to do a triple unboxing on the channel, which is super sweet. So what we have here is with the Mavic Mini with the stuff that you can typically get, but over here we got the charging base and we also got the intelligent flight battery. Which is cool about this is that they're individually packaged in their own separate containers, so you know that if you were to purchase this right at the back, it's right there for you. I like this because it's kind of like, you know, an art that you can put it inside your home and it looks cool. I'm digging that. So what we'll do first is we'll open up this battery case, but I've been digging it. I've been feeling it. So what we have here is another plastic that is preventing us from getting inside. But let's just do like a box around on this thing since we have all these 3 boxes. You know, we don't get the opportunity to do so as much. Front of the box gives you a display of what the charging base looks like, which is pretty cool. Here on the side have branding, Tellison. Here in the back gives you some information, size, width, components, and cables. Tellison there. Top of the box, no other thing besides that. So we'll just open this up and see what's inside. Cool. Since this is a drone my first time, I'm going to keep these instructions. I usually toss them away because as a gamer, we inherently know how to use technology. But since this is a little bit more complicated and it requires a little bit more finesse, we'll keep these instructions. And so if you're not used to drones, I would suggest you keep it because knowing how to operate a drone is priority number 1, because there's a lot of things that could happen if you don't fully know how to operate a drone. I mean, you can get in trouble, going to places that you're not supposed to be flying, etc. So I'm going to do some research on a lot of this stuff before I take it out and about. What we have here is a charging cable. It's a USB, a mini USB-C. I guess it's called mini USB-C. Comes in white, which is cute. Gives a very Apple-esque vibe. And that's pretty much it, I think. And then we have the charging base right here. Comes shrouded in a nice little plastic. We'll pull that off. And then what we have here is the fancy little stand. So there's a USB, micro USB, or mini USB-C. What am I talking about? A micro USB inside of this thing, and then that also plugs into here, and then it charges up the device. We have an off and on button right there. Pretty cool. So let's just, I was gonna cut it, but I don't want to scratch the plastic. So let's just open it up and see what it looks like inside. Cool. Ooh, just comes off like that. So there's really nothing that's like holding it in place, which is kind of funky, but drone sits on top and then you just cover it up like that. So it's basically like a diffuser. If you ever seen one of those things, they don't really like secure to the base, they just plop on top like that. Kind of disappointing that it'd be nice to kind of have like some sort of security to lock it in place, but that may be asking a little too much. So what we have here is the intelligent flight battery. This is the front of the box, shows you what the battery looks like. We have DJI website on the side, back with schematics, DJI right there, and that's basically it. Taped down right here. So what we'll do is just cut it open and then get inside. Actually, we'll just go from the bottom because that's where it seems like you should be able to cut. So we'll use a super sharp knife just to cut right into the plastic. And then we'll just open it right up. I'm so excited. Silica gel! Right inside. Oh. I guess you can't you open it from the bottom? I don't even know. Oh yeah, so there's like a little lip on the bottom, but we'll just take that apart. So what we got here is the Mavic Mini instructions. I don't know if we'll read that one, but what we were looking for is this battery per se. Wrapped in a nice, comfortable feeling plastic. And what we have here is the battery. Look, it just slips right into the drone. Hopefully this is charged, but we'll put this here to the side and get to the main event. We already had our first 2 courses, now it's time for the main course. Right here we have the Mavic Mini, the everyday fly camera. I'm already hyped. Ultra light, 249 grams. What? DJI. With a little drone right here, with a little flight controller, which you put your phone into it. iPhone approved, because you see that right there in the picture. So on top of the box, nothing. On the back of the box, a more close-up look of the drone with a little protection gimbal around it. Pretty cool. Here on the side, tells you what comes inside of it. Not really, it just gives you specs. 249 grams, ultralight, 30-minute maximum flight time, 4 kilometers HD video transmission, which is cool. Vision sensor, GPS, 3-axis gimbal for 2.7K camera recording and simplified recording and editing features. App information there. All the technical specs on the bottom, and that's pretty much it. And DJI on the side. It's covered in a nice little plastic thing, so we'll just like slice through the plastic and then just dig even deeper into the goods. Goods. Cool. We'll just toss that out of the way. Toss that, make our frame look nice and cute. That's sexy. Put the little charging case right there. Alright, so we have that open. So what we're going to do is figure out how this sucker opens up. Oh, okay. So here at the bottom there is another plastic tape that secures the box in place. The box quality is very generic, but we don't care about that. We want to get into the goods. Looks like the flight controller is wrapped in this nice sexy plastic, so you don't get any scratches on it while in shipping. Cool. Look at these controllers on the side. This is sweet. It's like the ultimate video game. Right off the bat, I can feel that this thing feels pretty premium to touch. I mean, it feels like it's made of good quality. There's some heft to it. The plastic feels really nice. It's like kind of like a matte gray. I already like it already by just like feeling it. It feels so legit. It definitely feels good. Yeah, so let's just get into this box right here and look at all those other extra goodies that are inside. So let's just open this up. This, bet you this is the battery. Oh no, these are all the connectors. Whoa, this is like a lot of stuff that comes with it. Okay, we'll keep digging in deeper. Got more instructions, more information. Oh man, take the silica gel out. Okay. Gosh, it's hard to get all this paper information out. Okay, I guess we'll have to use a knife to pry the sucker out. There we go. Flying with control, cool. So we'll take this out of the way and look at the individual components a little bit better. Christmas came early, boys and girls. Quick information right there. A detailed instruction book here. We'll have to read that over. There's a quick start guide right here to tell you some information. Probably gives you more information about how to hook up things, how to start things. We'll have to review that a little bit later. And detail. But let's just keep opening these little bags and packages. There's probably a little QR code on it that gives you information of what it does and how to hook it up to your droney. Cool. So we'll pull these little cables out. Ooh, what we got here is this variety of different cable cords. I suspect it connects to the controller here. But we'll just keep diving in a little bit deeper and checking out all this cool stuff here. Open up this is the extra propellers and screws, so we won't touch that too much. We'll keep it in that plastic bag. Open up this thing to see the screwdriver, tiny little thing. Sweet. What we got here, probably like the charging cable cord. Yep. Very similar to the charging base, I would say. But all in all, this is higher quality than this one is. A little bit more thicker, but this is a little more sleeker, so take your pick. And what do we have here? Oh, we got the thumbsticks. Look at that. The little thumbsticks. Let's put these suckers on. Ooh, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So you just like screw that on really quick and it's ready to go. Ooh, the thumb controls are ready to flex. Sweet. So let's just open this up and see what it looks like. Ooh, that's cool. And that pops out. That's legit. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Who would have thought that it'd be that cool looking? And how it would connect to your phone is, I guess you just plug this sucker into it like this. And then you close it up on it like that. There's an opening on the bottom so you can connect your stuff to it on both sides, I guess. Either way, either or. Yeah, I had to like read instructions to see how that particularly connects. Oh, there's an extra set of like thumb screws here too, just in case you lose the other ones. It's pretty nifty. Cool. But yeah, so your phone goes in here. Maybe I have to take my phone off my case or something because it's not case friendly. Or maybe just can you do it like that. Cool. See that? Flying around. Then what we have here is the drone in all its glory. Look at that. Tells you how to access some of this information here. Pull that off, pull these tapes off, and then the drone gets flying around. Yeah, so this is the unboxing of the special edition Mavic Mini. This is the bundle, comes with the charging case, and so we'll just give it a little look to see what it looks like when it's in its little contraption. So where is the charging port in this one here? Oh, the charging port has the, oh, that's the light. I don't even know where it's at. I mean, probably under here. So let's see what it looks like. Looks like right here we have a little, oh, there it is. It's on its side, so I guess you just like fit this sucker into it as such. There it goes. Oh, just quick, it slides in there like really simple like that. And then you cover it up and then you just let it charge in its base and it looks cool like that. And so if we pull it this way, you can see it. But the connection is very loose, so it just like slides on like almost magnetically. See that? There's a little magnetic connector at the bottom. Cool. That is super dope. I'm kind of digging it a lot. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this thing out for a little bit and we'll see it fly in action, so stay tuned.